Hi you guys, welcome to my channel, and if you are not new here, welcome back to my channel. I appreciate you for coming back. In today's video, I'm going to give you guys two delicious Taco Tuesday meals. We're going to have some chicken tacos as well as some ground turkey tostadas. I have all my ingredients right here, so I'm ready to get started because I'm hungry. I don't know about y'all, but Taco Tuesday is my favorite day of the week. So if you guys are interested, then just stay tuned and let's get into it.
Yeah.
Darkest hour, I wanna comfort you. I know you've been alone. Oh, where do we go? Your head in the real world of snow. Oh, I know how you hate the cold. Your life searching for more. Afraid to leave, afraid to show. Fight to leave, fight to leave, fight to show. Sometimes find yourself knowing no. Lost and looking for a soul. Grabbing for what you can hold. done your walking, probably enough for two. Oh, often you've had it rough, but you also had your cup filled up. And we both know, every time you come around, every time you return, I see it in your tired eyes, that you still have more to go.
Let me tell you something, Tracy. It can't be anything like love, can it?
No, it mustn't be. It can't.
Would it be inconvenient?
Terribly. Anyway, I know it isn't. Oh, right round my mind.
Right into our hearts.
Music.
It does, doesn't it? Tracy, you're so...
But my insteps are melting away. What is it, if I got feet of clay or something? It's not part of the pool. It's just over the lawn and in the birch grove. It'll be lovely now.
Tracy, you're tremendous.
Put me in your
Oh, sometimes find yourself knowing no, lost and looking for your soul, grabbing for what you can hold. Sometimes realize there's nowhere to go, 'cause the thing you're searching for has been waiting back home. I stay waiting for you. I stay waiting for you. I stay waiting for you. In the darkest hour, I wanna comfort you. I know you've been alone. Oh, where do you go? In your head when in the real world is snow. Oh, I know how you hit the cold. Spend your life searching for more. Afraid to leave, afraid to show. Fight to leave, fight to leave, fight to sometimes find yourself knowing no.
Okay, y'all, I forgot. I was about to just savage and not even come back on here and show y'all how it looks. It tastes great. Everything is good. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope you give these meal a try. Super easy. You can make it your own. And I promise you, you'll have your family, friends, anyone hooked, okay? So if you enjoyed this video, make sure you give me a thumbs up. Comment down in this comment section if you're going to try to make this recipe. And also, well, it's not really a recipe, it's just you guys cook with me. If you enjoyed, like and comment if you did enjoy this video. And make sure before you leave, you hit that subscribe button so you can stay tuned with any video that I come out with. I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.